Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. I don't know about you, but I love the color turquoise. And this turquoise jewelry set, it's from Beaux Bijoux. It's an earring and pendant set, is absolutely so beautiful. First of all, I love the color. And I love the way that it's inlaid into the silver on the pendant and the earrings. It has such a nice, beautiful design and shine to it. I also really love how delicate and fine this set is. You can see the pendant lays on a very fine silver chain, and it just sits in such a feminine, classic, delicate way. I absolutely love that. And I think the earrings go really well. They match the pendant, so you have this beautiful set. I've been super happy with these earrings and pendant set, and I hope you're going to love them as well. And that's my point of view.